No. Welcome back to Studio Watchwolf. I'm Lachlan Scott. This is Tokyo Game Market, Fall 2024, the biggest it's ever been at Makuhari Messe in Chiba, just a little way from Disneyland, and it's just absolutely massive this year. So I've got two friends with me. I've got Oxana. Tell me about yourself, Oxana.
Hi, I'm Oxana. I'm from Ukraine and live in Japan. It's my first game show.
Great. And Sin.
Hi, my name is Sin. I am from United States. I'm a game publisher, and we come to Tokyo Game Market every year.
Right, it's going to be huge. Let's go and take a look.
This is going to be a big one. So what we're going to do is we're going to work our way from number 4 slowly down to number 7. At 7, there's a section for LARP.
My team name is Gotani. So we make a lot of game and a good game maybe.
Hi, we are here at Saashi, and they're talking about their new game, Jailbreak.
Three new games, but the most popular one is Overparked. Overparked is a game where you have your own parking lot and you're putting lots of different vehicles in. It's a very puzzly, spatial strategy game.
In this game, we select the different monster in here. If you win the game, you can take your friend to eat this food.
Puzzle is our new release for 2024, and it's a creative party game for 4 to 8 players.
This is our brand new game for this year. It's a game about managing your own anime studio. Anime studio, yeah.
That's it from Tokyo Game Market Fall 2024. We've got some business still to do here tomorrow.
Of course.
But that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Tune in again.
Another year.